Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Riana Arum. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an aesthetic background for taking pictures and practice how I take the pictures at home by myself. Basically, this tip is very simple and I believe that everybody can do this one, so you have to follow this tip to get amazing pictures. Here, you just need a tripod. But if you don't have any tripod, you can use other things that the functions can work like as a tripod. The next is two mobile phones. The first phone is for lighting and the second phone is for taking picture. Rectangular paper, double tip, and strainer. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and let's get started. So first of all, you have to do is you have to shape this rectangular paper into this shape with the help of double tip. Give a double tip to these sections to attach to your mobile phone. I'll turn on the flashlight. So I will take the picture in this place. If you want to know how to make a background from newspaper like this one, so you can check the link on the descriptions below. You can watch my video. We try to put the strainer in front of the flashlight. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video can be useful for you all. So see you for next video.